How to fix Telegram code SMS problem, Telegram verification code not received problem. If you're trying to log in into the Telegram account, you're not receiving a verification code on this phone number, there are a couple of things that you can check. The first, make sure that your phone number is correct. Make sure that you're connected to a strong and stable internet connection. And make sure that you are receiving messages, because if you're not receiving messages, Telegram might not be able to connect to your phone number to send you a message or a verification code. Sometimes, Telegram might send the verification code to one of the existing devices where your account is still logged in and not necessarily to your SMS. Meaning that if you have your Telegram account logged in on other device like a secondary phone, tablet or your computer, Telegram will send the code to those Telegram app within those devices that are still logged in. So try to check over there. If it's still not working, Telegram might have limited your account for a couple of hours. So waiting 1 or 2 hours before trying it is also a good thing that you can try. You can also go to your Play Store, check if the Telegram app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. If none of these are working, the only alternate solution I can suggest to you is to use this app instead, which is called Telegram X. This is not a third-party app. This is the official app developed by Telegram developers themselves. So it also has every function related to Telegram. So if Telegram is not working, try to download and log into Telegram X. It will be the same account and the same phone number with the same details. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.